Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, bringing you this very amazing looking Jaguar F-Pace that is now joining our approved used stock. This particular example is the F-Pace Portfolio all-wheel drive model, finished in this gorgeous looking Portofino blue metallic colour. As one of our Jaguar approved used vehicles, this car will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, along with driveway insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This particular model also comes with a number of optional extras such as 19-inch alloy wheels, heated steering wheel, space saver spare wheel, MERIDIAN sound system and the most important, sliding panoramic roof. These large 19-inch alloys look absolutely gorgeous and really complement the Portofino blue colour very nicely. Moving over around the side here, there's also privacy glass on offer, and the overall silhouette of this F-Pace is definitely guaranteed to turn heads. Passengers in the rear won't be complaining as there is loads of headroom and legroom for up to 3, with the interior being finished in this light Oyster lighter leather. The sliding sunroof provides even more of a brighter ambience and feel inside the cabin, and moving over to the rear of the vehicle, there is also distinctly designed LED taillights with prominent twin exhaust pipes for a sportier feel. When your hands are full, don't worry, as the boot space is fully power opening and closing thanks to the powered tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous boot space. You can always create more space by folding the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split, and there is a 12-volt socket, shopping hooks, space saver spare wheel, and closing the boot simply requires a simple press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin is no different, revealing a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment screen, and the front seats will come with their own leaping Jaguar embossed headrest, and there is plenty of comfort and adjustment as the seats are fully electrically adjustable, heated and memory. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Jaguar F-Pace, it is a truly wonderful experience. The front dashboard design really complements the lighter interior, and all the driver control panels are logically laid out and easy to reach. Operating the wing mirrors throughout, there is also a memory function for all the drivers, and the upgraded MERIDIAN sound system will be very pleasing to all those music lovers amongst you. The heated steering wheel also supports paddle shift for a more spirited drive and can operate the trip computer directly ahead. Supporting digital speedometer to complement the analog dials, it also comes with bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice or snow for added grip. Economy will prioritize efficiency and fuel economy, or if you prefer, a more dynamic drive will offer a more sporty, spirited feel. Traffic sign recognition camera is also on offer to ensure you avoid any nasty speeding tickets, and safety systems such as city emergency braking, lane keeping assist will also keep a watchful eye of the road ahead. The center 10-inch touchscreen is split across various 3 screens and is an absolute joy to use, offering built-in navigation which supports 3D and 2D mapping as well as live traffic updates too. Pairing your Bluetooth device is also incredibly easy, and for all your radio needs, you'll be happy to know there's both AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. Also, the heated front seats come with a 3-stage setting and you can really adjust them as easily as this. Other great features of this F-Pace will include the benefit of full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, and there is even a built-in web browser, and the ASI all-surface information system will let you know what the all-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment. To help with parking, front and rear parking sensors are fully supported by a rear view camera, which even comes with a full wide-angle view too. As we move down the cabin, there's also physical controls which easily operate the 2-zone climate control system. Most importantly, it benefits from a heated windscreen, which is great for frosty mornings, loads of space in the center console or for your oil cup holders, and hidden armrest, which also benefits from twin USB connectors to keep your devices topped up. The electric sunshade and electric sunroof is an absolute joy to use. At a single push of a button, it will retract the sunshade lights such as this. And also there's a 2-way opening for the sunroof. A simple press once will tilt it open, whilst another press will fully slide it backwards, as you can see here. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace Portfolio all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.